Have you ever heard of an object so strange that it made even the smartest scientists scratch their heads? A visitor from outside our solar system, something that wasn't born here, traveling for millions of years across space, and is now passing close to Earth. It's called 3I Atlas, and what telescopes have discovered about it has left the world puzzled. In today's video on the Truth Explosion channel, you will discover the most mysterious comet of our time, an interstellar traveler that challenges everything science thought it knew about the universe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell because what you're about to see will blow your mind.
Number 1. A visitor from outside the solar system. It all started in July 2025 when astronomers in Chile detected something unusual in the sky, an object coming from a direction that made no sense. It didn't follow the typical orbit of comets circling the sun. In fact, it seemed to be crossing the solar system in a straight line, as if it was just passing through. Scientists quickly realized that it wasn't a common comet. 3I Atlas is interstellar, meaning it wasn't born here. It came from another corner of the galaxy, perhaps from a completely different star system. Until now, only 2 objects like this had been confirmed, the famous Oumuamua 2017 and Comet Borisov 2019. But 3I Atlas is different, far more mysterious and intriguing.
Number 2. A comet like no other. When telescopes focused on 3I Atlas, something immediately caught attention. It looked like a normal comet, but behaved unlike anything ever seen. Normally, comets only form a tail of gas and dust, called a coma, when they approach the sun, because heat causes the ice to sublimate. But 3I Atlas started releasing gas much earlier, far from the sun's influence. This is extremely unusual. Even more impressive, the composition of this gas is rich in carbon dioxide, CO2, about 8 times more than any other known comet. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists also found extremely rare chemical compounds never before detected in objects from our solar system. It's as if 3I Atlas was formed in a completely different environment, perhaps around a star much hotter and older than the sun. Number 3. The impossible behavior. Normal comets wake up only when close to the sun, but 3I Atlas started releasing gas as far out as Jupiter's orbit, hundreds of millions of kilometers away. Astronomers were intrigued. Where did all this energy come from? How could something so far from the sun behave as if it were close? Some theories try to explain this. One suggests that 3I Atlas contains very volatile materials that evaporate with minimal energy. Another proposes it was formed in a solar system with far more intense radiation, giving it a unique composition. Others believe 3I Atlas might be a fragment of a destroyed celestial body, a survivor from the death of its original star. If true, it could be a cosmic fossil traveling across space for billions of years. Number 4. A messenger from the past. Hubble calculations show that 3I Atlas travels at about 200,000 kilometers per hour with a minimum mass of 33 billion tons. Its exact size is still uncertain, ranging from hundreds of meters to tens of kilometers. Observations indicate it has a bright coma but no visible jets, another anomaly. Everything about this object seems to defy expectations. It's cold, yet emits gas, distant, yet shines brightly, ancient, yet appears alive. Some scientists believe it might have originated in a very old part of the galaxy, perhaps from a star system that no longer exists. If true, 3I Atlas is a messenger of time, traveling alone through space for billions of years, until it crossed our path. Number 5. Why not send a probe to study 3I Atlas up close? The answer is simple. There isn't enough time. The comet is moving too fast, and a space mission would take years to plan, launch, and reach it. By then, it would have already disappeared into deep space. Therefore, the only option is observing it from afar using the world's most powerful telescopes. The James Webb, Hubble, and numerous ground-based observatories are collecting all possible data: composition, brightness, gases, speed, and trajectory. Each new image is a piece of the puzzle, and maybe, with luck, we can understand where it came from and what it really is. Number 6. Theories, mysteries, and speculations. With such a strange object, wild theories quickly emerged. Some say 3I Atlas changes color, appearing red on some days and green on others. Others claim it is escorted by an alien spacecraft, seen as a small bright dot in images. According to astronomers, these color changes are optical effects, reflections of sunlight, lens interference, or digital noise. And the supposed object next to it is simply an imaging error from overlapping frames.
Still, fascination remains. One can't help but wonder, what if there is more there? What if 3I Atlas isn't just a comet, but an artificial messenger sent eons ago by a distant civilization?
Number 7. What science knows so far. Recent analyses confirmed that 3I Atlas is a natural comet, but with a unique composition. There's no evidence of propulsion, control, or artificial origin. Its trajectory follows gravity, moving like any celestial body, although its chemistry is unusual. Scientists believe studying 3I Atlas can help understand how comets and planets form in other solar systems. Every molecule it carries is a clue about distant worlds, perhaps completely different from ours. In other words, it is a window into the past, a living sample of cosmic history.
Number 8. An echo of an ancient universe. 3I Atlas may have traveled alone through space for billions of years, passing supernova, black holes, and extreme gravitational fields. It might have been ripped from its original system by a colossal force, wandering aimlessly, carrying the secrets of a world that no longer exists. Observing it is like seeing a piece of another world, a fragment from a star and time the universe has already erased. Poetic and unsettling at the same time, the universe is full of silent messengers, traveling for ages, waiting for someone to see and decode them.
Number 9. The impact on science. 3I Atlas's passage through our solar system is a unique opportunity. The data it provides can reshape our understanding of the origin of life, planet formation, and cosmic chemistry. Astronomers believe that in the future, we will find many more objects like it. With increasingly powerful telescopes, we may even send probes to intercept them, perhaps making first contact with an object from outside our system. Interstellar comets are like lost letters from the universe, each telling a new story. 3I Atlas is just the beginning.
Number 10. The mystery continues. Despite extensive studies, there are more questions than answers. What explains 3I Atlas's anomalous composition? Why does it release gas so early? And most curiously, where did it really come from? For now, science can only speculate. One thing is certain, it is real, unique, and unforgettable. A reminder that the universe is far vaster, older, and more mysterious than we can imagine. Now I want to know your opinion. What do you think 3I Atlas really is? A simple interstellar comet, or something that defies scientific logic? Leave your theory in the comments. And if you love space mysteries, cosmic curiosities, and impossible phenomena, subscribe to the Truth Explosion channel, hit the notification bell, leave a like, and share this video. The universe still holds many secrets, and here on I Dare, we doubt even the stars.